Study vocabulary or phrases. Number one, advertisement ការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្ម Number two, to be quite impressed with something ពិតជាចាប់អារម្មណ៍នឹងអ្វីមួយ Number three, laundry detergent សាប៊ូបោកខោអាវ Number four, famous actor actress តារាប្រុសស្រីល្បី Number five, stepmother ម្ដាយចុង Number six, vivid images រូបភាពរស់រវើក Number seven, sound effects បែបផែនសំឡេង Number eight, attract ទាក់ទាញ Number nine, obvious reasons ហេតុផលច្បាស់លាស់ Number 10, action story see something ឃើញអ្វីមួយដោយចៃដន្យ Conversation about an advertisement Conversation about an advertisement សន្ទនាអំពីការផ្សព្វផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មមួយ What is your favorite advertisement? What is your favorite advertisement? តើការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តគឺជាអ្វី I'm quite impressed with the advertisement about Third, a laundry detergent made by Unilever. I'm quite impressed with the advertisement about Third, a laundry detergent made by Unilever. ខ្ញុំពិតជាចាប់អារម្មណ៍នឹងការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មអំពី Third ដែលជាសាប៊ូបោកខោអាវដែលផលិតដោយក្រុមហ៊ុន Unilever. Where did you see it? Where did you see it? តើអ្នកបានឃើញវានៅឯណា I accidentally saw it on TV 2 years ago. I accidentally saw it on TV 2 years ago. ខ្ញុំបានឃើញវាដោយចៃដន្យនៅលើទូរទស្សន៍កាលពី2ឆ្នាំមុន What happened in the advertisement? What happened in the advertisement? តើមានអ្វីកើតឡើងនៅក្នុងការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្ម The ad told a story of a family in which the children all loved their stepmother due to the right shirt she prepared for them. The ad told a story of a family in which the children all loved their stepmother due to the white shirt she prepared for them. ការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មបានប្រាប់ពីរឿងរ៉ាវនៃគ្រួសារមួយដែលកូនៗទាំងអស់ស្រឡាញ់ម្ដាយចុងរបស់ពួកគេដោយសារតែអាវពណ៌សដែលនាងរៀបចំសម្រាប់ពួកគេ Why do you like it? Why did you like it? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកចូលចិត្តវា I just can't stop loving the story in the ad. It's such a sweet story. I just can't stop loving the story in the ad. It's such a sweet story. ខ្ញុំមិនអាចឈប់ស្រឡាញ់រឿងក្នុងពាណិជ្ជកម្មបានទេវាជារឿងដ៏ផ្អែមល្ហែមបែបនេះ Was there any famous actor or actress in the advertisement? Was there any famous actor or actress in the advertisement? តើមានតារាប្រុសស្រីល្បីក្នុងការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មទេ Not at all. The actors were not very well known, I think. Not at all. The actors were not very well known, I think. មិនមានទាល់តែសោះខ្ញុំគិតថាតារាសម្ដែងមិនសូវល្បីទេ Did it attract much attention? Did it attract much attention? តើវាបានទាក់ទាញការចាប់អារម្មណ៍ច្រើនទេ I have no idea, but I saw it in many public places. I have no idea, but I saw it in many public places. ខ្ញុំអត់យល់ទេប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំឃើញវានៅកន្លែងសាធារណៈជាច្រើន What do you like the most in the advertisement? What do you like the most in the advertisement? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីជាងគេនៅក្នុងការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្ម Well, the vivid images and sound effects did attract me. Well, the vivid images and sound effects did attract me. មែនហើយរូបភាពរស់រវើកនិងបែបផែនសម្លេងបានទាក់ទាញខ្ញុំ Do you believe in advertisements? Do you believe in advertisements? តើអ្នកជឿលើការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មទេ Not really. Ads always say good things and neglect to mention bad things about a product for obvious reasons. Not really. Ads always say good things and neglect to mention bad things about a product for obvious reasons. មិនប្រាកដទេការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មតែងតែនិយាយរឿងល្អហើយមិនយកចិត្តទុកដាក់និយាយរឿងអាក្រក់អំពីផលិតផលសម្រាប់ហេតុផលច្បាស់លាស់ How have advertisement changed recently? How have advertisement changed recently? តើការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្មបានផ្លាស់ប្ដូរយ៉ាងណានាពេលថ្មីៗនេះ They are more modern. Digital marketing has proved successful in many fields. They are more modern. Digital marketing has proved successful in many fields. ពួកវាកាន់តែទំនើបទីផ្សារ Digital បានបង្ហាញពីភាពជោគជ័យក្នុងវិស័យជាច្រើន Study vocabulary or phrases. Number 1 advertisement ការផ្សាយពាណិជ្ជកម្ម Number 2 to be quite impressed with something ពិតជាចាប់អារម្មណ៍នឹងអ្វីមួយ Number 3 laundry detergent សាប៊ូបោកខោអាវ Number 4 famous actor actress តារាប្រុសស្រីល្បី Number 5 stepmother ម្ដាយចុង Number 6 vivid images រូបភាពរស់រវើក Number 7 sound effects បែបផែនសំឡេង Number 8 to attract ទាក់ទាញ Number 9 obvious reasons ហេតុផលច្បាស់លាស់ Number 10 excellent story see something ឃើញអ្វីមួយដោយចៃដន្យ Thank you